Different stories tonight. Looking out to the west from the station here off our tower, some sunshine finding its way back out, but turning things around, looking off to the east, still pretty gloomy. Well, there goes the sun at the Lake Club, but look at the dark clouds on the horizon. That's a storm that's moving out of Lawrence County, pushing off to the east. 70 degrees right now. What a humid evening after a high of 82. Temperatures, well, for the most part, they've been dropping in that rain-cooled air this evening. I showed you how much rain fell across parts of Columbiana County a few minutes ago with better than an inch to an inch and a half, and that continues on eastward. But the rain also cooling down the temperatures into the upper 60s in spots currently, but the lightning, it continues to dominate over western Pennsylvania now as these thunderstorms march their way toward Butler County. Let's go ahead and head on in. Trumbull County, for the most part, the showers, just a few lingering showers around Hubbard and Brookfield on into Hermitage, but the heaviest rainfall north of Mercer now, up around Fredonia, working your way northward, Cool Spring Township, also up towards Sandy Lake. Some heavy rainfall in the atmosphere right now. Off to the south and southwest, though, things starting to dry out across Mahoning County and Columbiana County. But Lawrence County, you're still dealing with some rain, mainly across the eastern part of the county. And as this storm moved out of Columbiana County, it started to produce a lot of lightning. Still close to 143 strikes, most of those now pushing on over into Butler County. So looking off to the west, conditions are starting to improve, but the threat is there for a shower or thunderstorm right into this evening until a cold front clears, and those showers and storms will taper off. So here's Future Tracker right toward 10 o'clock. Again, still at risk of an isolated shower or thunderstorm this evening. Then cooler temperatures start sliding in toward morning with a cold front, and tomorrow will be a different day. That's for sure. We'll see some peaks of sunshine. It will be filtered by clouds at times. Temperatures, though, only going into the upper 60s by tomorrow afternoon and not as humid. That's for sure. Cooler air moves in tomorrow night. Temperatures dropping into the 40s. Tonight, 59 degrees. Watch for patchy fog. It could develop later this evening into tonight as that cooler air starts to slide in. Showers and thunderstorms will come to an end, though, and taper off, especially toward morning. 69 tomorrow. I'm going to call it partly sunny. We'll have periods of clouds around 2, and definitely cooler and not as humid. Pollen tracker stays high tomorrow. Grass pollen coming up, too. Let's look at that 7-day forecast. See where these temperatures are going to go. Well, they stay steady and drop a little. 58 on Wednesday after a cool start around 40 degrees. Here's good news for the week. The weather looks pretty nice. We'll start to dry out. The only little speed bump we have ahead is Wednesday night into Thursday. There is a chance for a few showers, but cool temperatures right into the start of the weekend. 70 on Saturday, and just in time for the holiday late weekend. The risk of showers and storms return to the forecast, and will heat things up, and humidity increases as well, but you would expect that as we go toward late May.
Well, with the holiday approaching and that wet weather, just celebrate it a little bit early, right? We have such a great week ahead.
Saturday looks good.
Absolutely. Thanks, Paul.